Antonio, and this poem is titled Calculus. My calculus teacher, Miss Arguelles, used to always tell me, calculus is kind of like a commitment. You should always try your best because she actually believed in it. See, I remember when she gave her last test, to make sure that her teaching could be chain ruled, to know that her simple lessons form complex cognition, then she bought us lumpia with spicy sauce. It was a fried spring roll, thin outer shell, holding onto meat, vegetables, and pride in her own nation, tasted a little like confidence in her culture. See, the spicy sauce to remind us of the rising sun in the Philippines. Finally, she told us why she did it. And she sat us down and told us that she was being deported on the 31st, 10 years after an expired work visa. They found her a threat. See, my AP Calculus teacher was plotting to destroy us all. The way she was scratching spells of derivatives and optimizations on chalkboards, or how she hexed us with exponents, or integrated our insecurities of math problems while setting mathematical limits for us to break so we could reach infinity, or negative infinity if we wanted to. See, my AP Calculus teacher was one of the unlucky immigrants pushed off the asymptotes of America's borders last year. So why is America trying to destroy itself from the inside? You see, immigrants are like blood cells, oscillating through the tangents of Capitol Hill, while Capitol Hill is spending all their time deporting aliens as if they weren't the heart of America or the pedestal of a nation, just a nation stepping on the backs of those who only wanted to help their families. Wait. Let's look at the equation she left us with. If y equals x squared plus x plus c, let x equal the number of people deported last year. Let c be a constant number of lives destroyed by America every day. Now, you try to find the value to y. Wait, remember, it's impossible to find the value to y. Why? When we can't find the motives behind America in the first place, see, it's impossible to find a value to a system that doesn't have any. So the only thing that she'll be left with is when y equals an empty classroom where America has broken more spirits than Ghostbusters. It's funny. America is full of immigrants, it's full of foreigners that still tries to factor out the immigrants or inverse the immigrants or derive the immigrants as if we all were immigrants to begin with. I remember that day like it was yesterday. And I'd lost the whole reason I took calculus in the first place. Even walking past her classroom brings mourning to my mathematics. No, she didn't die. But you see, learning just isn't the same without her. My calculus teacher, Mr. Arguelles, used to always tell me that calculus was a commitment. And no matter what, I should always remember that I will always have her in my mathematics, in my chain rule, in my power rule, in my exponentials, in my first and second derivative tests. I will always have her, even if America thought they got rid of her.